Welcome to the chapter on intellectual property. In this section, we will explore the importance of protecting intellectual property and understanding its various forms. Let's dive in. Copyright. Copyright is a legal concept that grants exclusive rights to creators and authors of original works. It covers a wide range of creative expressions, including books, music, artwork, and software. The purpose of copyright is to protect the rights of creators and provide them with control over the use and distribution of their works. One important aspect of copyright is the concept of fair use. Fair use allows limited use of copyrighted materials for purposes such as criticism, commentary, education, and research. Additionally, Creative Commons licenses offer different levels of permissions for sharing and using creative works, providing a framework for collaboration and openness. Patents. Patents play a crucial role in protecting inventions, processes, and technological advancements. They provide inventors with exclusive rights to their inventions for a limited period. Patents encourage innovation by granting inventors the right to prevent others from making, using, or selling their inventions without permission. When it comes to patentable subject matter, inventions must meet specific criteria to be eligible for patent protection. It is essential to understand the patentability requirements and conduct thorough research to avoid infringing on existing patents. Trademarks and trade secrets. Trademarks are distinctive signs that help identify and protect brands, logos, and symbols. They play a significant role in branding and allow consumers to associate certain qualities or characteristics with specific products or services. Trademarks can include words, logos, slogans, or even distinctive sounds. On the other hand, trade secrets refer to valuable and confidential business information that provides a competitive advantage. Trade secrets can include formulas, manufacturing processes, customer lists, and other proprietary data. Protecting trade secrets is crucial to maintaining a competitive edge in the market. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of intellectual property. If you found this information valuable, please show your support by liking this video. Sharing it with others who might benefit from it will help us reach a broader audience. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more informative content in the future.